Ready to transform your dashboards from functional to fabulous. Let's elevate your Tableau visualizations by rounding those harsh borders. It's surprisingly easy, and it makes a huge difference. First, a brief illustration of what we're going to achieve then. We'll dive into how to make it happen. Click on the Formatting section of the chart or table and find the Borders section. Once you've clicked on the Format section, the Format pane appears. The next step is to locate the Format pane, which is found on the left-hand side of your workbook panel. This pane is key for customizing all the visuals, including the chart and the table. Within the Format pane, find the Borders section. Usually, it looks like lines. Click on this to reveal the border options. In the Border settings, go to the row divider, select None, or you can select the line you want to work with. This will help give a rounded edge. The goal here is to control how sharp the border appears. Now choose your column divider, select None, or you can select the line you want to work with. Again, the goal is to control how sharp the border appears. Next, find the pane section. This is where the magic happens. You have control over the border, setting the line or solid as your custom choice. Choose the color. You also have the choice of line. For example, select black. Now you can adjust the padding. Then, you have the option of rounded edges. See, a simple style and design trick, but it refines the overall look of your Tableau dashboards. Experiment with border thickness and colors to perfectly match your brand or design vision. Thanks for watching. Now go make some beautifully designed dashboards.